What's up, guys? Look at what I have here. We have another shipment of fish. All right, guys, I'm just kidding. Obviously, this is the actual box the fish came in. Oh yeah. And of course, the box is beautiful. 100% guarantee that the packing is gonna be supreme because it all came from Tucky, because she is the transshipper I use to import fish. So let's get this box opened. It passed. The Department of Agriculture has accepted this fish as being fully 100% legal for Hawaii, and we are good to go. So let's check it out. Oh, I'm super excited. So real quick, I just want to say that the reason why I make these unboxing videos is for two reasons. First reason is I need to, in order to show or prove if a fish came in DOA or sick or whatever the case may be, because I have to show it to the seller to make sure that they know I'm not lying. Sometimes that can get me a refund depending on who the seller is. Most of the time it does, because the sellers I use are reliable sellers, but not all sellers are sellers that I normally use. Basically, the reason why I'm also putting this up on YouTube is simply my goal is, as of today, it might change, but my goal is if I can get enough subscribers, obviously I only have like 100 or something, but if I can get enough to actually start making money on YouTube, then my goal is to be able to buy and sell fish with its zero shipping and have YouTube cover the shipping for me with the money I make from the videos. But that's my goal. Hopefully I can achieve it, but we'll see. We got a heat pack here, always a good thing. Nice packing, beautiful. Always beautiful when it comes in from Tucky. That's why I use Tucky. So first up, we have, wow. Wow, this is a really nice, looks like a female. I'm gonna meet with the customer in a few minutes or in a few hours or something. Focus in, there you go. Super nice plakat fish. Okay, so that's one. Okay, next up is going to be, wow, a really nice male red dragon BDS. Really nice guppy. Look at that. Come on, focus please. Super nice. I'm going to acclimate this one because the customer is gonna come tomorrow for this fish. So I'm gonna acclimate this one. So I'm gonna put this back in the box so I know which ones to acclimate. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the table here. Next up, we have a very nice Dumbo female with a red mask. This one's super nice too. This one is gonna go in for acclimation. And I'm actually gonna put this in my stock so that one of you, if you so want it, you know, we do ship to the US. This is a beautiful Dumbo, looks like a female. Again, some of these fish, I don't even know what they are. But this one is not going to be acclimated because I'm going to see the customer in about an hour. Super nice though. Unreal. So I'm going to keep it in the bag here. Next up, we have a white Dumbo. This is for the same customer. Super nice fish. This one actually came in from Indonesia. Again, I'm not going to acclimate this one because it's for the same customer that I'm going to see in a little bit. As you can see, she's nice and healthy. I may rebag them, or at least put that bag in another bag just in case. You never know. I gotta take care of these fish. Wow. Wow, this is a super nice male red dragon. This customer is coming in tomorrow for these. Super nice. Again, if you guys are interested and you live in Hawaii, let me know and I can hook you up with these. That'll be in for acclimation. Okay, this one might be the one that might be leaking a little bit. No problem. This is and that's why, yeah, just a little, not a big deal. This is the female of the red dragon. Super nice. There you go. Gonna acclimate this. Oh, another, same thing. Female red dragon. Super nice. Okay, so that makes a trio. So we're looking for 2 more red dragons. Oh, wow. Wow, this is a nice white tuxedo or something. There we go. Super nice male. Gonna acclimate this guy too. I'm pretty sure all of them wants fresh water by now. They had a long trip. Female white tuxedo, super nice. Fins are all nice, looks healthy. There we go. Next up, wow. Another nice blue female. Kind of has like a blue sheen, little red to it. It's another nice one. This one came in from Indonesia, from a seller that I always use. Very trustworthy. This one is going to go to the customer I'm gonna see in a bit. So we're gonna put this. You know what I'll probably do is put them all in another bag, throw some oxygen in it, and then just leave it at that because I really don't wanna mess with the water. I don't wanna stress the fish out if they gotta acclimate it twice. All right, so this is a female, looks like a Dumbo. So this one looks pretty nice too. Come on, there we go. That's a nice one, nice one. This one's going to go to the same customer. Next up, we have another female tuxedo. So this makes a trio for the white tuxedo, and there's supposed to be 2 trios for this. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It's a nice one. Next, we have, this is another female white tuxedo. Another nice one. All of these beautiful fish. So far, no DOAs. So this is a red dragon female. Super nice. Got another male white tuxedo here. Oh, wait, there's another one. Oh, thank goodness. This one is also alive. It's a female white tuxedo. I better throw these into acclimation ASAP. Okay, but they look nice. They look nice. In any case, that's it for this video. It was a good unboxing. I have to contact the customer and I gotta get these guys acclimated as soon as possible. But until then, or until the next video, that'll be it. In any case, that's it for this video. It was a good unboxing. I have to contact the customer and I gotta get these guys acclimated as soon as possible. But until then, or until the next video, that'll be it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.